In this video, we will show you how to change default browser on Windows 11. In Windows 11, really more difficult to change the default application, especially the browser. And let's see in here, our Chrome browser not set as default. There is two methods to change your default browser on Windows 11. First, if this notification is appear, you can just click set as default and go to your Google Chrome, and you can click the set default in here. And the second method, if the notification is not appear in here, just type default browser or default application. After you find default application, just click and scroll down. It's same with just now we do, and click the Google Chrome and set default. Now, if you open the HTTP or HTTPS or another website protocol, you will have the Google Chrome in here, and you can see the notification is gone after we set as default. It is the same if you want to change the default browser into Mozilla Firefox. Just find the default application and select your Mozilla Firefox and set as default in here. That's tutorial how to change default browser on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.